Hi everyone, well this is just a short unboxing video. I got a box in today. As you can see, it's an Amazon box. Lithium battery. I opened it from the bottom, so it's by Engpow, Engpow, and it is a 3000 mAh battery for the Bugs3 f100 ghost drone or Contixo. Forgot the model number, but anyways, it's an upgraded battery for the Bugs3. As for me, the originals, the 1800, since I've gotten it last November, I've only gotten not more than 12 minutes, and I got the low voltage, and then it dies down right there at 12 minutes, never more than that, even if I wasn't flying aggressively. Hopefully this one lasts a little longer. Engpow 3000 mAh. It's from Amazon. I'll leave the link in below. I had a couple of friends who also got this battery and used it for their Bugs3 / f100 ghost drone, and they've gotten more than 15 minutes, maybe up to 18, I believe, but I won't be able to test it till maybe next week or so, because right now in California it's raining. Well, this is just a little unboxing video of this, my new Lipo battery from Engpow, Engpow. I'll leave the link below, from Amazon. All right, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and come back soon.